I'm going to make a custom signet ring. So we'll start by selecting a template in Pencil. Pencil is a super easy to use design platform, and one of the things you can design on Pencil is jewelry. So we'll start by selecting a template. One of the templates that I'm going to use that I quite like for making signet rings, you can see we've got the round template here. I'm going to go with this square signet ring. We'll start by using that. Now, I want this template actually to go on a pinky, so I'm going to start and pick a size 5, which is the size of my pinky. And as you can see, that's made the ring smaller. We've got a lot of things we can adjust here in terms of the size and shape of the rings. So, for example, I want this to go a little bit higher. I kind of want that signet face to be a little bit raised up above the ring. So we're just going to push that up, and maybe let's see what it looks like at 3 millimeters. A little bit too high. Let's go back to 2.5. Okay, that's looking cool, because I want it to have like a bit of substance to it. I want it to be a substantial ring that I wear. There's a lot of other options here that you could choose if you wanted to change the shape and size of that. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put text on it. One of the cool things that you could also do if you didn't want to do text, you could engrave an element. So you could upload an image, you could put like an element of a crest or a symbol that's particularly important to you. For me, I'm going to put text because I want this to be a letter-based signet ring. And so with text, we do have quite a few different font options that you can choose from. I want something that is a little bit cursive, so I'm going to take Satisfy as my font. And I'm just going to do the letter P for pencil. And let's do that. So we can use this at the top here to change our view and lock our camera on at a particular point. So I'm going to lock it here at the top. I want to make that a little bit larger. So let's just increase the size of that before I put it in place. Maybe even a little bit more. Yeah, that's looking good. So I'll double click and that's going to put that in place there on my ring. Now at the moment it's what's called an embossing, meaning it's coming out of the actual ring, but I want that engraved into the surface. So I'm going to click engrave and done. That's engraved it into the surface there. We can actually zoom in with the mouse wheel. And so now that that's been engraved, what you can do is you can have this manufactured, so you can download that as an STL file, which anybody can use to manufacture, any jeweler or any factory. We can connect directly with a factory or jeweler in Pencil and have them make this design for you.